Hi, I'm Cade. I'm here with Renogy today to talk to you guys about our brand new Renogy RV Power Solutions. Building your RV power system should be fun. It should not feel like a second job. When you're dealing with a bunch of compatibility questions, different voltages, and different brands, it can get super confusing. If you've ever tried to install your own RV power system, you know exactly how it goes. You get a battery from here, an inverter from here, and let's say a solar panel from those guys. When you try to finally put the system together, you run into a wall because they're not playing well together. And somehow, you need to try and figure out wiring, AC connecting, and compatibility all on your own. But there is a better way to do this. You don't need to build the whole system because we at Renogy already have. Introducing Renogy RV Solutions. These are not singular products that you have to figure out. These are complete energy systems that have been planned from day one to work together. Solar panels, chargers, batteries, inverters, cables, fuses, mounting brackets, and monitoring, all put together into one pre-matched solution for you. The goal is simple: less compatibility questions, more usable energy, and easier installs. Whether you're building for weekend giveaways or extended off-grid trips, Renogy RV Solutions are built around how RV life really happens. The Go Far solution is used for everyday essentials, like device charging, refrigeration, and lighting, and everyday comforts for weekend trips. The Go Further solution is for higher demand setups, so think full working days with Starlink, trying to stay comfortable in hot summer afternoons, and longer time between hookups. So here's what the build actually looks like. You mount the main components, follow the numbered connections on the master map, and use the guided installation videos anytime you want a visual. Each part is labeled and the steps stay clear. Once everything is connected, your system is live and you can monitor power in real time from the Renogy app. And if you're thinking, I'm not an electrician, well, same here. I built this in a weekend and honestly, it went smoother than I thought. So let's walk through the components that make Renogy RV Solutions stand out. Real off-grid life does not mean clear skies all the time. Overcast, trees, hanging lines, everything gets in the way. And that's why the ShadowFlux panel is built for the real world. It's designed to take that partial shading and make it a non-issue, to be able to produce more so you can use more throughout the day. Off-grid confidence isn't just about how much energy you can store, it's about how reliably you can recover that energy to use. That's why our integrated 2-in-1 DC to DC MPPT charger is so important, because it can pull on the alternator and the solar at the same time. Driving through the mountains, you're charging. Parked under a clear sky, you're charging. Engine, sun, or both, your system stays focused on regenerating energy faster. Space is always a negotiation in an RV, and your battery should not be the reason you're making compromises. That's why our core mini battery is built specifically to be lightweight and compact, so it can fit where other batteries simply can't. You still get reliable deep cycle power in a smaller footprint, so your build stays concise, clean, and dependable. Need to power your AC devices off-grid? That's exactly where the inverter comes in. It easily switches between AC and battery power, so no matter you're running on shore power, battery, or solar, your system stays afloat. No interruptions, no flickering, and no problems. And when every component comes from Renogy, support is simple. One team, one system, everything to make sure that your system fits and works for you. At Renogy, we believe power independence should be simple, reliable, and achievable for all RV owners. It should not just be about power.